Make sure it's tight against the tape.
Okay, holding it steady, that should secure the corner.
Easy, watch the left side.
Here's the left side.
Okay, guide it onto the chairs.
Set.
And set.
Steady flow, bring it towards the middle section now.
All right, I'm vibrating the mix. Keep the pressure steady. That beam is secure. Good, these connections are tight too.
All right, the ground floor frame is complete. Let's inspect the joints. Make sure it seats properly on the bearing points.
It's making contact now.
Okay, hold it steady while I check the level.
Line it up on your end. It's set. All right, moving to the next one. Watch the edge, bring it down. Hold it right there.
Right there.
All right, it's seated, secure it. All right, bring it down easy, watch the left side. Okay, it's making contact now. Looks good. Set it down. All right, bring that beam down easy.
Yeah.
Setting now. Looks plumb. Down, down, hold it right there.
Clear order.
Clear on this side. Send it home.
Yes, sir.
Locked in. Bring it down slowly.
Whoa.
Watch the left side, steady now.
Whoa.
All right, easy, easy. Contact. How's the adhesion on that section? Looks good, we're ready for the next roll. Make sure those openings are level before we set the frames. I'm checking the alignment now. The rhythm looks good. Watch the bottom edge. Got it. Looks plumb. Hold it right there. Okay, slide it in now. Watch your fingers. Looks good. Settle it down. All right, push it in now. It's seated. Check the levels. Confirmed aligned. Lift it up now. All right, slide it back towards me. Watch your fingers. Looks good. Set it down.
Hold that end steady while I screw this in. All right, it's secure. Let's get the next one.
All right, push it tight against the framing. Got it. Securing the first screw now. All right, keep pushing it tight to the joist. Got it. Hold it steady right there.